PC is asking today's value area and bank nifty is high. Okay, let us check. First need to tell me where is the value area on yesterday's profile, and today's value area is yet to define. The developing value area is in the higher part of the range, but my question is, where do you see the value area on this day? 43,700 is what? That is the point of control. So point of control definitely so far is higher, but I don't see much of a value area on yesterday's profile or even this day's profile. That is why I said, what I said about this day is that there is unclear whether there is any value here or not. Similarly here, okay, this is point of control, I can understand, but this day you can clearly say this is the area, this is the area, okay, this is the area, this is the area, this is the area, this is the area. Not much, but a lower distribution, not much, and a higher distribution separated by single prints. Here you have a clear value, nothing here. So no clear value area as such on these days. So if you say this is developing higher and start basing your decisions on that, and then if it does not work out, then you will find yourself in a bit of a trouble. For me, what is happening is this whole thing is basically something is going on in this zone. They are trying to do something, not yet clear what it could be. Like if I have to guess what it could be, is very simple. If I draw these absorption of demand profiles, we are stuck in that range for last 3 days. What does that tell me? It tells me that they are trying to take care of business here, probably finish whatever business is there and then decide whether it wants to go higher or lower. If it goes higher, 44,500, and above that even higher. If it reverses, goes lower, okay, then what is the reference that will tell us that it wants to go lower? What reference can we look at? Very simple. We are looking at this HVR 43,500, let's say, and this weird development. So let's say now the market comes lower, okay, and finds acceptance below that, then I know that it's likely to go here, because this is again a weird day. There is no clear value area here. This is not a D shape, right? Is this a good D shape? This looks like a D, or this looks like a D? You tell me. I mean, obviously it depends on your handwriting, but I don't consider this as a D. Now what you can do is, if you merge these two, all right, let's say you merge these two. Now suddenly you have a profile where you can clearly say, okay, Dean, this is the nice value area, this is the profile, nice normal distribution curve. Now, yes, definitely we are above the point of control for this 2-day composite, I'm saying, all right. But since we haven't like made any attempt to move above this, it's still within that day's range only, right? So I would still consider this whole thing as a single attempt to develop some value here and then decide what it wants to do later on. So I will give it some more time. I'm not yet 100% sure whether it is the higher value area development or not.